Hello everybody, my name is Matt and welcome to another unboxing video. In this video I've got for you the Razer Deathstalker Chroma gaming keyboard. I've heard a lot of good things about the Deathstalker and I've been a fan of Razer for a good couple of years now, so I'm quite excited to unbox this. So what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so here we have the nice box that comes within the box. This is the one that's got the nice Razer logo on it. We've also got the For Gamers by Gamers motto on the bottom there, which is really nice. That's always been a good motto I've found, like For Gamers by Gamers. It just attracts gamers. So let's get unboxing this. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is the keyboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec, but I just want to show you this. This is what else comes in the box. So here we have the kind of instruction booklet and the certificate of authenticity. Basically what it says is, it says, "Congratulations, there is no turning back." And it's just on a nice green piece of paper like so. And then we've got the instruction booklet as well. It's just a small booklet explaining the different parts of the keyboard and the Razer Synapse software. And then we've got these really cool iterations of the normal stickers that you get with the gaming keyboards. These are the Chroma stickers, so when you move them around in the light, they actually shine as if they would, like the Chroma keyboard with all the different colours, which I think is really nice. So, now that we've gone over that, we're going to get into the actual keyboard. So this is what the keyboard looks like straight out of the box. So giving you some of the features, the keys that are used on this keyboard are the 2mm chiclet keys. These are like laptop keys, as you can hear when I type. You can hear that they're not that clicky and they're not that loud. I mean, they've got a good responsiveness to them when I type, but they're definitely not as bad as the mechanical keys in terms of sound, which is really good. I like how it's got the built-in wrist rest here with the nice Razer logo in the middle of that. One thing to mention here is on the back of the keyboard, we have two foot rests, which are really nice. So when these are down, obviously the keyboard just lies flat like that. And then when they are up, you can see that there's quite a bit of elevation that it puts onto the keyboard, which is really nice. Makes it so that obviously you don't have to have it flat on your desk. That's when it's stood up on the stands, and then if I take it down, that's what it's like when it's not. You can hardly see a difference, but I will use different shots here to show you what it looks like. So it feels like it's quite smooth as well. So when I'm typing, I don't feel like I'm going to get stuck or whatever on the keyboard, which is really, really good. Another thing to mention is it's a UK layout keyboard. Obviously, if you was to buy the keyboard in the US, you'd get the US layout, etc. It's kind of self-explanatory. The function button is one of the main kind of things on the keyboard. It's just here next to the Alt key. What it allows you to do is it allows you to interact with the different features on the keyboard. So by holding down the function key and then hitting either F9, F10, F11 and F12, you have the opportunity to interact with those features. So F9 is the macro key assignments, which I'll get to later on in the video. Then you've got F10, which is the gaming mode. Now what this allows you to do is when the gaming mode is turned on, you cannot click your Windows key, which I think is a really, really nice option. And the F11 and F12 is used to turn down the brightness of the light, which is another cool feature. The shape of the keyboard is really nice. I like how they've edged off the top and the bottom edges here. I think it makes it look really cool, and I think it looks kind of futuristic, I don't know. But it's a really cool keyboard, I'm really liking it. I mean, it's really thin as well, as you can see. Like, that's about as big as my thumb. Yeah, that's crazy thin. But it's really good, it's really lightweight as well, it's really compact, and I'm really liking the feel of this keyboard. I'm going to be testing this out on the Razer Synapse software on the PC, which I'll get to in a second. But from what I can see as well, the matte material of the keys may be a bit of an issue in the long term, as say if you're gaming for long periods of time, and I know a lot of people tend to get sweaty when they're gaming. If you kind of type on it for a while, you tend to find that you'll leave marks on the keys themselves, which may mean that you need to clean your keyboard quite regularly. Which is not a bad thing, because it's good to take into consideration your keyboard's health. And altogether, this is a really nice looking keyboard, and I'm really looking forward to putting it into Razer Synapse and making it look all great when the chromas are turned on. So without further ado, let's get into that. So moving on to Razer Synapse, as I said before, this program allows you to customize the chroma on your keyboard and set any macros that you need for any of your games. It gives you all the customization you need to have the keyboard set up you want to. So, giving you a rundown of the different settings for this keyboard. So, what I will show you is the different settings now. So, first of all, I'm going to go to lighting, and then we'll show you the breathing one first. So the breathing is basically what it sounds like. It's like the light is breathing in and out. So obviously when it's breathing in, there's no light there. When it breathes out, it gives you light on the keyboard. It's really good. It looks really cool. And then we have the spectrum cycling, which is basically the same thing, but instead of it breathing in and out, it breathes between colors, and I think it gives it a really cool look. And then we have static as well, which is, as you would expect, just one static color, and you can change that between any of the colors. Like I could change it to white if I wanted to. I could change it to light blue, light green. It's fantastic, the customization. Also, we've got wave. Now this is probably my favorite setting. Wave basically sends a wave of colors to either side of the keyboard, depending on which one you want to choose, because you can change which direction it goes in. So obviously that's when it's going left, and then that's when it's heading right. It's really cool. I do like this a lot. As I said, it's probably my favorite setting. If you did want to change this, you just go to Chroma Configurator. Once you're on there, you can just change the colors of the wave. So if I wanted it to start on white, I could do that. So I click done and then click apply, and then it works, and it's fantastic. It looks great, and it's really nice. I like this feature a lot. Also, there's the gaming mode, and as I described before, basically what it does is it's a little mode that basically allows you to not be able to click your Windows button in game, which can obviously be quite annoying sometimes when you're gaming and you hit the Windows key by accident and it sends you to the desktop, which isn't what we want, and it's not good at all. So one cool feature is though that you can actually make it so that it turns Alt Tab and Alt F4 off as well. So you just do this by clicking on, and then you can disable them and enable them however you please. And to do this, you just click function and then the G key at the top, which is F10 on the keyboard. And then when we go to customize, we can do something cool with the keyboard, where basically we can make it so that we can macro any key that we want to. As we all know, and if you don't already know, macro keys basically allow you to bind any key to another key on the keyboard or the mouse. So for instance, say if I've got some macro keys on my mouse, I can bind, say if I'm playing an FPS game, I can bind my grenade key to one of the macro keys on my mouse, so it's so much easier to just click that button on the mouse to throw my grenade rather than having to navigate to the G key on the keyboard. Now in order to do this, you just hold down the function key and F9. This then makes it so that you can arm your macros. You click it again, and then when it flashes on the M key, that's when you know that it's ready to basically show the macro key which key it needs to bind to. So then you can just hold down the key. I'm going to use I for this video, and then you just let go once you've held down, and it then shows inside of the software, and when you hover over it says macro, and it works very well. So now, just to end the video, I'm just going to go over the pros and the cons of the Deathstalker. So my first pro is that it's lightweight and it's thin. Now, if you're wanting to take this keyboard to LAN events and such like that, then you can definitely fit this in your backpack, and it's not going to make your backpack feel heavy either. We've also got the fact that it's not noisy at all. Obviously, the keys it uses are nowhere near as loud as the mechanical keys that Razer use in their Black Widow keyboards, but that's one of the pros of it, as if you're somebody who feels like they wouldn't want a loud keyboard, but want a Razer one, then I definitely recommend the Deathstalker. The RGB keys and how that connects to Synapse is another pro. It does really well in connecting to Synapse, and the way that you can actually customize your macro keys and your RGB color lighting is exactly how I would want a program like that to run, and it works really well. Obviously there is the macro and the game functionality, which means that you won't click the Windows key when you're in game, which is fantastic, and the macro keys just help for when you are gaming. Going on to the cons, I don't like the finish on the keyboard. I don't like the way that it's a kind of matte color, and obviously when you do have your fingers on the keyboard for a while, it is going to leave fingerprints and there are going to be marks left, which will mean you're going to have to clean your keyboard a lot of the time, which isn't very necessary, even though it is good to clean your keyboard every once in a while. There's also the fact that I would have liked to have seen a braided cable on the keyboard. Now, I've used the Black Widow for a while now, and that has a braided cable, and it's weird to see that this one doesn't, and I wish that that was just something that Razer could iterate on, but it's not too bad. It's not like it's a massive con, it's just something that I wish that they would have changed. So there was a lot more pros than cons there, and I do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. So would I recommend the Deathstalker? Yeah, of course I would. It's a really nice keyboard. I do like the shape of it. I do like the chroma functionality on it. And altogether, I just think it's a really, really nice keyboard to go for. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a like and a comment. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and then you can watch all of our videos when we upload. I've been Matt. I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next video.